Education is a lifelong journey whose destination expands as you travel. Travel knowledge is not attained overnight. The many aspects of selling amazing travel experiences cannot be taught out of a book, and those aspects that can are often involved, complicated, and at times convoluted. Attaining first-hand travel knowledge and experience takes years. All this goes to emphasize your knowledge has been hard fought and well earned. All of us here at Goway know this, as we have all experienced that professional learning journey. We recognize that you are a professional, a true travel professional, and to reflect that, we have created the GowayPro Travel Academy. Hi there, my name is Don Forster, Goway's in-house destination expert and also known as Professor Goway. I'm here today to tell you, our valued partner in travel, about our exciting new educational program, the GowayPro Travel Academy. There is a lot of buzz around our Travel Academy. Through fun, inspirational and educational video modules, I will take you on an educational ride around the globe, where you can not only gain the many expert tips and tricks on designing bespoke, customized itineraries for your Globetrotting clients, but also learn about the many wonderful places in the world that Goway sends adventurous travelers to. But before we get into the details, let me get out of these robes. What destinations can you learn about in the GowayPro Travel Academy, I hear you ask?
Tell us, Don.
You will see and hear more of her when you join the Academy. So, what was I saying? Oh, that's right. Yes, destinations. Well, all of them, because as of now, Goway has added Canada and the US to its portfolio, which means we are now on all 7 continents. By joining us here at the GowayPro Travel Academy and broadening or adding to your destination expertise, you will become a Goway designated destination specialist. As you continue to climb the ladder of learning and travel, yep, there are travel rewards, you can become a regional specialist before reaching the summit of a Goway Expert. You can choose your pace of learning and you choose the country or countries to specialize in. Choose the region or choose the world. It's, well, your choice. How does it work? There are 4 steps. Step 1, specialize in a country and complete the modules and you are a bronze Goway designated specialist of that country. Step 2, specialize in a region. This is usually the top selling countries or states of a continent. Example, for South America, Peru, Ecuador and the Galapagos. Or for Australia, you would look at New South Wales, Queensland and Victoria. Africa, South Africa, Kenya and Tanzania. I think you get the idea. Once you have these groups of countries under your belt, you then become a silver-plated Goway designated specialist of that region. Of course, I am metaphorically speaking here. We don't actually dip you in silver. Step 3, specialize in more countries or states or territories in a region. Then you would have that Midas travel touch and you are a gold Goway designated specialist of that region. Using the previous examples, that means adding to South America, say Chile, Argentina, Patagonia or Iguazu Falls. In Australia, you may add South Australia, Western Australia and Tasmania. And in Africa, add Uganda, Namibia or Botswana. Step 4. This is where you will become the queso grande, the big cheese, and earn platinum status and be designated a Goway Expert for a region. Here you add to a region all of the smaller, less traveled countries or dig deeper into styles of travel such as rail, cruising or coach travel. The destinations at each level may be different to what I've just mentioned, but I wanted to give you an idea of the amazing journey that is in front of you. Now, all you need to do is pick a course or pick a learning path. What is the difference between a learning path and a course, you ask?
Tell us, Don.
Well, to be honest, nothing. A learning path is simply a holder for all the countries, states or territories in a region. By choosing a learning path, you are looking at becoming a regional specialist by completing all learning modules for each country, state or territory for that region. By choosing a course only, you are focusing on only that country, state, or territory. As an example, if your end goal or your main area of selling is all the big selling countries in Africa, then we would suggest you take the Africa learning path. Same thought process for whatever region you sell the most of now or wish to specialize in the future. Now here is a quick snippet of bits of one of our learning modules to give you an idea of what is in store for you when you sign up for the GowayPro Travel Academy.
Welcome to the Goway Travel Academy and the destination. Let's begin.
Keep an eye out for the Goway recommended tip icon. This equals a Goway tip or suggestion when planning an itinerary. Kenya. Africa is big, real big. How big, you ask?
Tell us, Don.
That's how big it is. Savannas and the big five: lion, leopard, black, in no particular order. And we will go into depth on each of these very shortly. Masai Mara, Mount Kenya, Amboseli National Reserve. Where is Kenya? How to get to Kenya. There is only one direct flight to Kenya from North America, and that's from JFK. All others will be a stopover, being part of the planning. These can be simple hop off, hop back on for your flight, or you can look at staying a day or two in your stopover city. The main carriers to get your Globetrotter to Kenya are Kenya Airways, non-stop from JFK, KLM via Amsterdam, Air France via Paris, Emirates via Dubai, Qatar Airways via Doha are all the most popular routes. The migration of the southern Serengeti in November. Then the whole Serengeti wildebeest migration starts again. Around and around we go. An expert recommendation to take in the migration in Kenya is to take a fly-in safari from Nairobi. Here are some of our most popular lodges in Kenya. Masai Mara Super Camp. Located high on the slopes of the Olamuyutia Hills, Masai Mara Sopa Lodge was one of the first safari lodges to be built in the Masai Mara Game Reserve, a reason why its gardens and trees are so lush and mature. All the buildings follow the design of traditional African roundhouses with conical roofs, and these stretch along the line of the hills with the impressively large public area buildings and the swimming pool at their centre. It is a 6-hour drive from Nairobi or a 1-hour flight plus a 1-hour transfer from the airstrip to the lodge. The lodge is made up of 99 rooms with 4 interconnecting rooms, 1 honeymoon suite and 12 suites. Bar, lounge, restaurant, outdoor boma dining areas, swimming pools and a gift shop are all on hand. There is a TV in the bar and Wi-Fi in the public areas. After each module there is a test, a short quiz, but trust me, they are not that difficult. You choose your pace of learning and you choose the country or countries to specialize in. Choose the region or choose the world. It's, your choice. Now, here is the part I know you've been wanting to ask. What's in it for me?
Tell us, Don.
There she is again. Other than the wealth of knowledge you gain on all of Goway's destinations, the many expert tips that Goway has gathered over 50 plus years of selling customized travel around the world, and of course the new and repeat bookings you will get, you get the prestige of being designated a Goway certified destination specialist or expert. Maybe we even send you a graduating gown and a cap when you become a Goway expert like me. More bookings through newly attained knowledge. You will earn dollars on your GowayPro rewards card. The more you achieve, the more you can earn and spend. Yes, shopping. VIP invitations to Goway's FAMs and events. The more countries or regions you become a specialist in, the more FAMs you can qualify for. Discounted personal travel. You will join our preferred list for advance notice on specials, newly added training modules and other great offers here at Goway. For our Canadian travel brothers and sisters, the program is also ACTA accredited. Simply put, the more you learn, the more you earn.
The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. St. Augustine.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Lao Tzu.
Traveling, it leaves you speechless and turns you into a storyteller. Ibn Battuta.
To travel is to learn. That's mine. I know why you still travel. Well, I think I do. You are amazed by the world in which we inhabit and the immersive experiences to be had. You love passing on that joy of travel and hard-earned knowledge to others, knowing the life experiences and benefits they will reap by traveling. You have worked hard to earn and continue to work hard to keep that trust your clients place in you. It's a huge responsibility. I know it, having been an expedition guide before I donned this hat. With my now many years in travel, designing itineraries, opening new destinations for Goway, training our own destination specialists to be the best in the industry, and they are, Goway knows firsthand also of this responsibility through its 50 years and counting of successfully selling exotic, bespoke travel to exotic and long-haul destinations all over the world, as well as supporting our valued industry partners through not only the good times, but also the not so good. We want to now share that love, passion, and knowledge of travel with you. We want to introduce you to new destinations or broaden the horizons of the ones you know now. We want to push your bookings to that next level and all the while be inspired and have fun while learning. We look forward to welcoming you to the world classroom of the GowayPro Travel Academy. See you soon.